Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video number 2054, we are going to discuss the importance of Section 125 CRPC regarding maintenance. Honorable Supreme Court of India, 2 judges bench, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari and Madam Bela M. Trivedi, while disposing the case of Anju Garg versus Deepak Kumar Garg in criminal appeal number 1693 by 2022, yesterday, that is on 28/9/2002, held that the able-bodied husband should maintain his wife and also the minor child. He cannot shirk his responsibility. He cannot say that he will not be able to maintain his wife. So, as per Section 125 CRPC, please remember, husband is required to pay maintenance. How? By earning money, even by physical labor, and maintain the wife and children. He could not avoid his obligation. This is what is held by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in the particular case. Normally, when we are dealing with love marriages, ఇద్దరు వస్తారు, ఏం పని, నువ్వు ఏం లేదు కదా, ఉద్యోగం లేదు కదా, ఎలా చేస్తావంటే, సార్ రిక్షా దొక్కి సంపాదిస్తాను సార్ అన్నాడు. ఇప్పుడైతే ఆటో రిక్షా దొక్కుతానంటారు, లేదా కార్ డ్రైవింగ్ చేస్తాను. సో ఏ పనైనా చేసినా సరే భార్యను పోషించవలసిన బాధ్యత భర్త మీద ఉన్నది. ఇది చెప్పడానికే ఈ కేసులా. రైట్, నౌ విల్ గో టు ద డీటెయిల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద కేస్. Actually, there cropped up a dispute between the wife and husband. Husband, he suspects that the minor child was not born to him. He wanted DNA test. So at the time of the so-called divorce petition, right? So here, the wife wanted maintenance. Let us confine to the topic of maintenance. 125 CRPC. The husband says he is not able to maintain, number one, because the business in his work in which he has invested, it has not been successful and it's closed. The business which he is doing, his partners have cheated him, whatever it is, it's closed. Therefore, he cannot maintain her. And at the same time, she could not prove that she is unable to maintain herself. This is another problem. Right. Whatever it is, now the issue is, wife contended that the High Court, actually, when the petition was filed before the family court, and the family court conducted the trial, and actually she has dismissed the petition under 125 CRPC because husband cannot maintain the wife because of the failure in his business. And that too, the wife could not prove that he is having sufficient income and she cannot maintain herself. But anyway, the trial court allowed maintenance to the child. So once again, a revision petition was filed before the High Court. High Court of Punjab and Haryana, it also agreed with the family court and did not give any the so-called maintenance to the wife. Right. Now the matter has come before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. The wife contended that High Court erred without appreciating the conduct of the husband. Husband claims that the wife left the house along with children without any reasonable justification, without any justifiable means, and she failed to prove that she was unable to maintain herself. These are the contentions of the husband. I'm sorry, I said wife. Please remember, now the Supreme Court observed that Section 125 is conceived to ameliorate the agony, to ameliorate the anguish and the financial suffering of a woman which is required to leave the matters to the husband, or actually the husband has to look after her. Now, the family court conducted, as per the opinion of Supreme Court, the family court conducted the trial without being alive to the objects and reasons under Section 125 CRPC. So please remember, the basic sacrosanct or the basic canon of the law is it is the duty of the husband, or it is the sacrosanct duty of the husband to earn money, to give financial support to the wife and also to the children. Even he has to work as a physical laborer, and he could not avoid his responsibility except on legally permissible grounds. And the object of section 125 is not to punish the husband, but please remember, it is there not to punish the husband for his neglect, but to prevent his vagrance and leaving the wife as a destitute. So this is also in consonance with Article 39 of the Constitution of India, and the husband's duty is to provide food and shelter to the wife. So Supreme Court did not agree that how husband is having no source of income on his once his business. Let him do some other business. He can't keep quiet that his business is closed, therefore he cannot do anything. He has to go for other resources. He has to feed his wife. Ultimately, Honorable Supreme Court of India granted 10,000 to the wife and 6,000 to the minor son. So, very good judgment from the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Please read the judgment and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.